Occasionally, the need arises to merge two or more customer accounts. For example, if one person brings the family truckster in for service, then later someone else in the household brings it in again, and a second customer account is created by mistake. In this situation, the vehicle records are in two places, so you will want to merge the accounts. To do this, navigate to the customer page and select the accounts to be merged. Check the boxes at the end of the rows and then click the Merge button. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm which customer data you wish to use, whose name, which phone number, etc. Make your selections and click the Merge Customers button. You can merge up to 5 accounts at one time. Another scenario is when you wish to remove old customers from your database. Shop-Ware does not delete customers as there are conflicts with history, etc. To help you manage this, you can create a new customer called Archived or Deleted, and then merge the customers you don't want into that customer account. Simply create the deleted customer, select those customers you wish to archive, and then merge them with the new deleted customer account. Congratulations, the union is now complete.